G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. For this video I'm in the far north of Laos. I'm actually in Oudomxay province, and very shortly I'm going to get underway and check out this cave. Okay, this is a little information centre at the cave site, just before the path that heads up to the cave entrance. It's quite detailed. There's actually a normal tourist route, which is 800 meters penetration into the cave with lighting, but I'm going with a guide, so we're going to be heading further in, maybe another 2 or 3 kilometers in. Alright, these are my two guides for the day. One is the guide from the tour company in Muang Xay, and the guy on the right is the local guide we've got to use to head into the cave. Okay, we're getting underway. We're going to head up this pathway to the cave entrance. It's about 200 meters or so. Okay, we've got a map and some information about the internal areas of the cave, and then, as with all caves in this part of the world, there's a stairway up to the entrance. Alright, there's a good little bit of exercise to walk up these stairs. Okay, we're now at the entrance of Chom Ong Cave, and we've got our local guide just unlocking the gate there to get in, and he's going to turn on the lights. And here we go then, start of the adventure. We're heading into the Chom Ong Cave in Oudomxay province. Okay, that's pretty much the end of our little tour through Chom Ong Cave. We're just about out of the dark zone and back up onto the tourist area, and we're heading out. All right, we're in the main passageway of Chom Ong Cave here. It's quite large, quite spectacular. But this is the area that's been set up for tourism. It's a nice walkway that goes all the way into the 800 metres into the cave, and yeah, it's quite a good little cave tour if you can make your way up here. All right, we're at the end of the cave tour now. We're just heading up to the exit, and it's been a pretty good tour through Chom Ong Cave.